Do you know Lara Costa, who has 28.6k subscribers, is also using this marketing funnel to drive customers into paying people? And this funnel, which has six different steps, is basically very easy to understand if you know in and out of this funnel. But to understand this funnel, do you know that there's something called tofu, mofu, and bofu, which stand for top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel? And the same strategy is used by Lara Costa. If you can see, I have opened her email. So she sent me first email on 27th Jan, second email on 28th Jan, and third email today at 3:25 p.m. And in all of the emails, she is using the fourth step. What is this fourth step and why she's following this funnel? I have done all the breakdown in this YouTube video. So what you have to do, you just have to stick to this video till the very end, because I'm going to reveal all the methods that Lara Costa is using through this marketing funnel. So let's begin. The first thing that you need to understand is your paying customer, right? So if you know who is your paying customer, let's say this is Rohan, and he is your ICP, right? Now he comes to wherever you are publishing your content. Let's say you are publishing your content on LinkedIn, right? Now whenever you publish the content, whenever this person reads your content and engage with it, let's say like, comment, and share, so they get to know what type of knowledge you have, and then you transfer this person into the top of the funnel area. Because now, earlier, this Rohan has nothing to has no clue about who you are, what you do. But now when this person has engaged with your content, that means that he understands what you have written and he knows now who you are. So now you have transferred this person to the tofu category. But tofu category is only to get engagements. When you want to convert people, you have to transfer the person directly into the bofu category. That is where the actual conversion will happen, right? In order to transfer the person into the bofu category, do not make this mistake where you start selling everything from the very first day. Look at the emails that I'm getting from Lara Costa. Look at the day one email where she mentioned that, like, welcome to day one of our LinkedIn mastery course, where she mentioned everything. But can you see she's selling something here? No, you can't, right? She is simply saying that I have 10 plus hours of course if you want it. Otherwise, like, I am giving you my free training. So you just tap it over here and then you can see what type of training I am providing, right? So you can go ahead and check it out. She's selling indirectly. If you want her mindset, if you want to join her academy, if you find some content useful, then definitely you will be curious to join the academy. That is where she's selling her course at $99 per month. Sorry, $399. And after that, once this course will get completed, then you will be charged $99 per month. That is what she is doing at this moment. But she's not making this mistake where she's sending the messages to sell her course directly. She is adding value for free. She is giving you lead magnet. So let's talk about this. So what she is doing, the first step in the funnel is to drive traffic to your landing page. So second stage of this funnel is where the landing page comes in. The first thing is to identify how to send traffic to the landing page that you have created. So for example, like, I have created this landing page and I want to send traffic to this landing page. How can I do that? I have like multiple ways to send traffic. I can do SEO, I can do social media marketing, I can do performance marketing, I can run ads if I have the budget. I can also make use of content marketing, like 100% organic content marketing. Maybe I can publish content, I can collect emails and then I can send you emails, like this Lara Costa is doing right now. Or maybe I can publish content on LinkedIn and then I can drive people from LinkedIn to my landing page. So there are multiple ways through which you can drive traffic to your landing page. But you do not need to depend only on performance marketing, only on paid marketing campaigns. If you do not have a budget, you can still do SEO, you can do social media, you can create content, just like I'm creating content for myself, right? So if you do not know whatever content I'm creating, you can go to my LinkedIn and then you can see I'm helping people to achieve 1 million a month with my LinkedIn growth mastery course, right? And I have proven formula through which I have got 4 million impressions in just 90 days. So what I'm doing, I am posting content on the regular basis. So if you see, I am like posting hell lot of content on my LinkedIn account, and this is my basically content creation journey, right? So now once you have identified how to send traffic to your landing page, second part comes is like to create a very killer landing page so that like people comes on your landing page and then you send them a CTA button. Now, nowadays, nobody clicks on CTA buttons just to share their contact information. You have to give them some type of guys lead magnets. So once people comes to your landing page, now you have to give them some type of lead magnets. It can be free 7 days tutorial to learn LinkedIn marketing. It can be free ebook to make yourself viral, or maybe an ebook which consists 500 hook line to use in your, let's say, LinkedIn course, right? Or maybe in LinkedIn post. Such type of lead magnets you have to create. So right now, as you can see, uh, this Lara Costa is doing the same thing. She's sending me an email where she's saying that I am gonna give you my free training, and once I watch her free training, let's say this is the free training that she has taught, like she's teaching us welcome to day one. But after that comes up the fourth stage, which is the drip campaign. So once you have collected the data, see, when you are giving the lead magnet, that means that you are gonna collect the data over here, the email addresses. Once you have collected the data, now is the time to sell your service. But there's a twist, guys. You should not sell in the very first email. Look at the email that Lara Costa is sending. She's not asking me to pay for her course. She's saying that like she has created something for free which will add value if I just watch her videos. The same way, you have to create a drip campaign of emails. Let's say this is an introductory email, then the second email goes, then the third email goes, and so on. Once you have developed the trust, once you have won the trust of your ICP, now is the time you should send them the sales email, in which after providing all the free value, you can say that now if you want my exclusive content, and if you have seen uh, let's say some improvement in your content journey, now is the time I can help you. But that premium content will come up with some handsome amount, and that is the amount that you have to pay. So this is where sales email part will come up. Now, I love the fifth and the most important part, which is the transaction part, where the transaction will happen. This is where you have to use a sandwich model. So if you do not know how to use the sandwich model, you can comment down under this video, and I would be happy to like create a separate video on the sandwich model. Otherwise, like I have published a lot of content on my LinkedIn about the sandwich model. You can go and like just check it out. My LinkedIn profile, since I am posting a lot of content on my LinkedIn profile, guys. This is where the transaction will happen, where the people will buy from you. But like in, if you want people to buy from you, you have to win their trust, you have to win their credibility, you have to create authenticity for yourself. And how you can do this, like if you see, my LinkedIn profile has somewhere around 326 followers. And if you search my name Rohan Gulati on Google, again I have built my authenticity. I'm ranking at the top, and my images are also at the top. You see, everywhere is me. Like you can find me everywhere. This is how I'm building my credibility, right? Now, once you provide solid reasons to buy from you, the transaction will take place. But people usually consider only six these five stages. They forget the sixth stage, which is the very important stage, and the important one is the offer discounts. If you want your client to stay with you for, let's say, 12 months or 15 months, 18 months, 24 months, what people usually do is, let's say I got one client today, and that client is with me for another 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, and they are paying me the same amount that I've charged in the first month, and I'm providing the same service to them. But after doing this, don't you think that like those clients will get approached by my competitors for sure, right? And then they will try to cut my proposal, and they will try to offer something that my client can't resist. So just before like your client will get such type of proposal, why don't you give them a unique proposals every other month, or not just proposals but maybe some discounts like from your own pocket, so that like your client will be happy with whatever results you are providing. as well as they are also happy with the discounts that you are going to provide them every other month. That is where you will be able to retain your client for the longer duration. Otherwise, what will happen? Your competitor will eat you. So do not ignore the sixth rule. Do not ignore the sixth stage of this funnel, guys, where you have to think about how you can retain your client for the next 18 months or the next 15 months. Results matters a lot, but at the same time, if you give them something that they have not expected, that is the time they will keep you and your services in their mind. And who knows if they are gonna refer you to some of their friends. That means that just offering some discounts, you get one more client, or maybe three more clients, five more clients. So that depends. So that depends how you are executing this funnel. I have a very detailed funnel in it, guys. So you can comment down under this video, and I will be able to share my exact strategy, that how I use this funnel in my marketing campaigns to drive conversions in just 7 days.